How to make money within the car niche. So if you are passionate about cars, you might be wondering, can you really make money in this niche? And I'm so glad you're here at this channel because I'm going to show you what a lucrative industry this is to tap into, but you're also going to see how you can get started. You're going to see the opportunity that's out there, how to monetize your business. I'm going to show you some real life examples, and I'm also going to show you how much money you can make if you get started with your very own car niche online business. So stay tuned. My name is Rupesh and I welcome you to this channel. It's all about helping you to find the best ways to making money online, to building yourself a sustainable online business. And today we're going to show you how you can do that within the car niche. So let's check out what is on our agenda. Okay, so up on the agenda for today, I'm going to show you how you can go about choosing various profitable car sub niches. And then we're going to talk about on how you can get more traffic to your online business. I'm going to show you the different strategies of traffic that you're going to get, that you can work on. How you're going to monetize your car niche business. Once you start getting traffic, there's so many different ways which you can monetize your business, and we're going to talk about that. Then I'm going to talk to you about some real life examples. How much money can you make? And then finally, how you, if you are brand new to the online business and all of these things, I'm going to show you how you can get started. So let's get cracking. Okay, now let's talk about choosing your sub niche. Now, the reason why you got to choose a sub niche, because there might be some specific area that interests you, or maybe you have some expertise when it comes to the car niche and you might want to focus on that. And also it makes it easier for you, so it doesn't make a whole thing broad and then you're going to get confused and you're going to say, now what do I focus on in this car niche? Where do I go to? So let me give you some examples, right? So the first one can be like car accessories. So you can talk about dash cams, LED headlights, and car cleaning products. Another thing you can talk about is maybe performance parts like turbochargers, exhaust systems. Then what about car maintenance and repairs? So here you can even create courses, or maybe you can go about showing videos on maybe common car problems, and you can assist people with solving these problems. And then the last one is where you can talk about luxury car content. And this is a reasonably big market as well, where you can hire commissions. An example would be, let's just say you're an affiliate for a limousine car hires, and then you can earn a commission for anyone who hires a limo from the company that you recommend. But we'll talk more about affiliate programs just towards the end of the video. So this just shows you the various kind of sub niches that you can actually go into when it comes to the car niche. And also towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you a really cool tool where you can find more of these sub niches that you can get started with right away. The heart of any business is getting traffic to it. So this is how you're going to go about doing traffic. You can choose one of these methods, you can choose all of them, but try to master at least one or two. The reason why is because if one of them fails, then you've always got another one to back up on. So the first one you can start with is SEO and blogging. Now this simply means that you've got a website and you're doing keyword research for the low competition but the high volume or high traffic keywords. So for instance, maybe it could be the best car speakers for bass, or the best ceramic coating for cars. You write blog posts. It's a long-term strategy because it will take time for it to rank on the search engines. But once you start getting high quality traffic, whether it's a commercial post that you're getting traffic to, like a review, and you can be an affiliate for that product, or if it's an informational post, you can monetize your website in a number of ways, but I'll talk more about that just now. Then you can also do YouTube and Instagram. So in a case like this, maybe you want to put before and after images of car upgrades or car modifications, and that's how you can use this. TikTok and Facebook groups. Facebook, for instance, there are various groups such as maybe do-it-yourself car repairs or car enthusiast site. You can get some good ideas from there. And the last one is Pinterest, where you can actually post car theme boards and you can get high quality traffic back to your website. So that's the free traffic methods that you can use. There are paid advertising methods that you can also use, but there you got to spend some money. If you're just starting out, I personally would recommend try these methods first. Okay, so now let's check out some cool examples, right? So now first I'm going to show you some Instagram pages and some influencers at Supercar Blondie, at Detailing World, and at Mod to Fame. So let's check those out. Alright, so the first one is Supercar Blondie. Now this is her Instagram account. As you can see, she's got 2,300 posts, 17.3 million followers, and this is all her posts that she's got posted, and I'm sure you must have checked it out. Pretty cool site. Pretty cool Instagram account. Now check how she actually monetizes the site. She says, buy the world's coolest car on my auctions. So if you actually click on the link on her Instagram account, there is two websites, and if you go to this website, this is where you can actually participate in the auction. And imagine whatever auction that takes place, she must be earning a commission from that. And she's got her very own online blog called supercarblondie.com. So that's the one account. The other account is Detailing World. So here we are, Detailing World, 1,222 followers, and our online store will be operational soon. So what happened is they focused probably on getting traffic, and now they're getting traffic. Now they're going to monetize their account, and they're going to have an e-commerce store. And then the next Instagram account is this one here, which is called Mod to Fame. They got 54,000 followers, and you can see here, this is all about car modifications and high performance cars, right? And here there's no link, but they do have a YouTube account. So let's check out the YouTube account. So here they are, Mod to Fame, and they actually do have 201,000 subscribers. They also have got a website. So can you see one of the hubs, the central core is to actually start with your website. And I'm also going to show you how you can get started with your free website towards the end of the video. If you click on their website, then you'll come to this, and this is where they are selling. They have their very own shops where they sell t-shirts, hoodies, hats, but they also sell signature wheels and various other things. So that's using Instagram social media account. Alright, so before we get into the fun stuff, I just want to show you some of the ways you can monetize your online business. Once you are getting traffic, there is no limit as to the number of ways that you can make money from your business. First of all, you can do it from affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing means, like how I showed you, like what Super Blondie is doing and what the other guys are doing. Basically, they have a website where if there's an auction taking place or something like that for a company, they just earn a commission from that. So you simply just bring in two parties together, sponsorships and brand deals. And the other way is from digital products and courses. Like I mentioned earlier on, if you want to actually create your very own car repair course on a specific part of the car, you're more than welcome to do it. Once you're getting traffic to your business, there's no limit into the number of ways you can employ all three of these methods for your business. The key is to first getting traffic. Okay, now we come to the fun part. I'm going to show you how you can find more ideas for your sub niche using this really cool tool. The link is in the video description, so feel free to check it out. So here we are, design and build an online business that you love. All right, now this is the place where I got started off, and this is where you can get started off. Here they help you to choose an idea, help you to build traffic and make money. Now here are the various opportunities. You can choose cars, you can go into electric vehicles, car maintenance and repairs. So let's choose car accessories and modification. And here they say the opportunity is 85 out of 100. So if we go ahead and we choose that, then you're going to have to sign up. It's a free account, by the way. Now, I just want to show you when I'm in my account that here we are in that car accessories and modifications. And look at the various affiliate programs that you can actually join. So here's one affiliate program where it's carcovers.com, and let's take a look at that. Here the commission is 15%, and you can earn anything from $25 to $60. But if it's 15%, let's take a look at what the prices of some of these products are, so you can gauge on how much you can actually make. Now, if you come to carcovers.com and let's go all the way down, you will find, let me just scroll all the way and show you that here at the bottom, it says here they have, where did I see it here? It's here, affiliate program. So you can click on the affiliate program and then you can sign up for the affiliate program, and it's free, by the way. Now just take a look at how much some of the car covers are. So Platinum Shield car cover, it's $200. And if you promote something like this, maybe your Instagram or maybe your website, and if you earn 10 to 15%, how many do you really need to make? Say probably if you sell maybe 5 or 6 of these, again, maybe it's $20 to $25 times it by maybe 5. It's not too bad. It's about $100 a day. $100 by 5 days, that's $500 a week. Now, this is just conservatively speaking, and obviously it depends on your effort. It does depend on the traffic that you're getting, but I just thought I'd show you just one of the options that you have. Now, this is just with regards to interior accessories. Then you can also do custom lighting for the cars. Then, in addition to custom lighting, then you can also do safety and security enhancements. So here you can go to car parts, you can go into various affiliate programs, then you can also go to technology, exterior modifications. It has so many options, as you can see. As I said, the link is in the video description where you can actually sign up yourself. You can get your very own hub, and then you can, from here, not only do you get access to all the affiliate programs, but you get tons of content ideas that you can use not only for your website, but you can also use it for your various social media. So how cool is that? Okay, so here we are at the end of the video. You've made it this far. What have you learned so far? You have learned that there are various sub-niches within the cars niche that you can tap into. You've seen the amount of opportunity that there is available for you. You've also know the different type of traffic strategies that you can employ to build your business. I've shown you some real life examples so you can see other people making money with it. You can definitely do it as well. And then we've talked about the different monetization strategies. Once you're getting traffic to your business, the sky is literally the limit for you to make money in a number of ways. And finally, I showed you a tool that I use myself to find the various different niches within your sub niche, within your main niche. I showed you how you can go about finding affiliate programs. I've using this tool, and I've also showed you a little bit on how you can get content for your online business. Now, before I leave you, that tool that I showed you, or the place that I showed you, is just the tip of the iceberg. Once you sign up, if you decide to sign up to this particular program, there's various other things that are essential to your success as an online entrepreneur. They have a community, which is a one-of-a-kind community that will help you every step of the way. Not only that, they'll teach you various ways. They will focus on your YouTube if you want, your paid advertising, email marketing, Instagram, TikTok, social media, whatever it is, various different traffic methods that will help you so that you can get started with your business. So if you're interested in that and you find that is something that you'd like to do, or when I forgot to mention to you, it's an affordable option if you decide to go on the paid way. And once you sign up, I will be there to be your support coach if you decide to go that avenue. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking this video out. My number one recommendation is in the video description, so feel free to check it out. Feel free to check out my review of this platform as well. I wish you everything of the best in your car niche business, and if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. And don't forget to subscribe so we can chat in my next video. Goodbye.